From Pakistan myself, I'm from Bangladesh, here with my two boys. We were gonna sit home.
It's a lovely, nice sunny day in London, so I'm starting my video from Green Street. Green Street is a dominant Asian area and it's in Forest Gate, East London. Let's start with the zoos. That's the grill restaurant with the Turkish spices, a bit of touch of Asians. That's my brother's restaurant as well. Let's go if he's in there. Hello, Mr. Kashif, how are you? You okay?
Yeah, okay.
Good. You're being filmed, mate. I just want to check the zoos. What are you cooking? There's a shawarma. That's the menu. Mainly the grilled food. They cook fresh right in front of you. Everything. So if you are in Green Seats and number 83 Green Seat, do come here and try that. Alright boys, I will see you later. Let's take a walk with Uncle Bob. Okay, we're going to be in a quiet part of Green Street. Just taking a walk in Green Street. Lovely sunny day. That's Anand Pawn shop. It's like very, very old. I remember that since 1984. YouTube. That's one of the first Asian shops that was open in 50 years? 50 years, yes. We are coming up to the busy part of Green Street. Sun is coming straight into my eyes, so some of the things may be a bit blurry. I do apologize for that. Well, I'd rather have a sunny day than raining. There is a famous Green Street of London, E7. That's the postcode, if you want to know. Restaurant, one of their branches. Pakistani mangoes.
Give it a try. We have the best fragrance in town. Want to try some? We have the best fragrance in town.
There you go, brother. How are you?
I'm very well.
What's your name?
Farad.
All right, you selling musk, yeah?
Yep, fragrances.
Fragrances.
Best fragrance on Green Street.
Best fragrance in Green Street. There you go.
Special offer. Normally 35 and 25 pounds for 30 ml.
Lovely job. Going on YouTube, Uncle Bob Adventures, yeah?
Thank you.
I need to buy charging bank, so let's have a look. Okay, we carry on from here. Tour of Green Street. There you go, the Asian pots and pans, stock clearance. This place is always buzzing, especially this part of Green Street. And then I'm trying to get to the Upton Lane Market or Upton Park Market. I'm not sure. I'll have to find out when we get there. Okay, let's cross the road. Hello,
What's your channel?
Uncle Bob Adventures. Advertising at the same time, people are getting excited. So
One Nation UK has a 100% donation policy, so be assured your funds are going to be spent in the cause. And we're standing here for Pakistan today. As you know, Pakistan has suffered a devastating flood. I call it a tsunami. You've seen the videos, scary videos. So please, my brothers, my sisters, let's do our part today and let's dip into our pockets and try and donate whatever we can. Jazakallah khair. For our brothers and sisters of Pakistan. I'm not from Pakistan myself. Jazakallah khair. I'm not from Pakistan myself. I'm from Bangladesh, here with my two boys. We were going to sit at home, watch a movie, but we had a little discussion and we thought, you know what, we're going to go out there and we're going to do whatever we can.
the guy was coming, collecting for, as you must have heard, funds for Pakistan. Salvation Army. Okay, this is we are Upton Park Station. Green Street still goes half a mile, goes up all the way up to Barking Road, but we will just go in the market and have a look. Okay, oh God, the sun came straight into my eyes. This is Upton Park Market. Fruit and veg, and all sorts of things. A lot of the Asian women don't like getting filmed, so that's why I'm trying not to go in. They don't like being filmed, sorry. But that's the market, that's just about it really. Not very big, but still a market, and it's a very, very old one too. I've known this for about 40 years or odd. The market is definitely a lot older than 40 years. So, that was the famous Green Street of London. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel, like the video if you do, and it will be very nice to leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.